From a tiny 100 square foot kitchen on MG Road, Pune in 1955 into one of India's most loved snack brands. So classic potato wafers to flavorful mixtures and namkeens. Today, Budhani Bros is run by Mr. Arvind Motilal Budhani, who's taking the brand forward while keeping the original taste alive.
Welcome to Guru Krupa Budhani Brothers Wafer Wala. This business was started by my father and his two brothers in 1955. This has become a brand known because of its quality. Potato chips is a very common product world over, but the taste of our potato wafers is unique because we use best quality raw materials, potatoes, edible oil, and especially the credit goes to the blessings of our Guru Maharaj, Sadguru Sri Jadavji Maharaj, and our parents and the ladies in the family who have worked very hard. My father and his two brothers were orphans at the age of 8, 12 and 16. In 1950, my grandfather passed away. Third day, grandmother passed away. So all three children were on street. No house to live, no food to eat. They came to Mumbai to their maternal aunt. She used to go to this temple where our Guru Maharaj started preaching in 1900. So she took all the three kids and told Guru Maharaj, please bless them, now they are orphans. So Guru Maharaj said, nobody is orphan in this world. Almighty God is parent to one and all. If they'll work hard and be honest, God will give them abundance. And what you see right now is Budhani's with the blessings and hard work of the family. This was started on a very small scale in a small room, as my dear friend explained that it was started in a 100 square feet room with just 110 rupees, the last salary what he had with him, with a small hand peeler, slicer, small frying pan and a stove. They used to make with hand these chips and go on bicycle to sell the chips. Then my mother, aunt, they also worked very hard. We were also born in that same premises. And slowly with hard work and the teamwork of the family, the business started growing. In any business, successful business, hard work and teamwork. The family businesses have grown in India because of that. And that is the story about Guru Krupa Budhani Brothers also for the three generations, past 70 years. You're welcome to see the old factory and the premises inside the lane, which has created a name in Pune as well as in India and world over. You saw the temple, it's so peace and calm over there. The production is going on, no noise pollution, no air pollution. This was shown on Indian television as well. And we take care of environment also. So lots of customers tell us that Mr. Budhani, you're not just selling healthy product, but you're taking care of Mother Nature also, environment. And that's why recently won an international award in Delhi also. Thank you very much and wish you all the best.